An emergency fund is your financial safety net for unexpected expenses. Start by saving $500 to $1,000 as an initial buffer against small surprises. This prevents a single bill from forcing you into high-interest debt. Your ultimate goal is a full emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. Calculate your monthly costs for housing, groceries, and other necessities to find your target. This range is crucial given variables like employment volatility and healthcare costs. It's vital to define what constitutes an emergency to protect your fund. A true emergency is an unexpected, necessary, and urgent expense. A sudden dental crown is an emergency, a planned teeth whitening is not. Keep this money in a separate, federally insured account for security and to avoid casual spending. Automate transfers from your checking account right after each payday. Treat this contribution like a non-negotiable bill to build it systematically. If you need to use the fund, prioritize replenishing it as soon as possible. Temporarily increase your automated transfers or cut discretionary spending. Remember, this money is for financial security, not for investment opportunities. The peace of mind from knowing you can handle life's surprises is the ultimate return. This disciplined habit creates the stability needed to pursue your other financial goals without fear.